Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vinay Tech. So let me introduce myself. This is Balaji, and I work for Wells Fargo. I'm holding around 20 years of experience in various technologies like embedded VC++, MSBI, Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and UiPath. This is my skill set, all right? And if you want me to talk about uh, teaching experience, this is my 14th year. I started teaching MSBI. That was in the year of 2010 July. So I'm close to 14 years of experience in teaching, right? So I was with Kelly for 9 years, and this is my fifth year in Vinay Tech, right? So I'm going to start Microsoft Business Intelligence. Sir, before we get into Microsoft Business Intelligence tools, I have a question before we have a deep dive into business intelligence tools from Microsoft Corporation. I have a quick question like, what is business intelligence? What is business intelligence? What is the outcome of the business intelligence? Outcome of business intelligence. What do you want to achieve with that? I have these two questions. Can someone want to answer it? Can someone want to answer it? Amrita, Mohan, Siva, Venu. What is business intelligence? Sir, you people decided to go ahead and set your roadmap towards business intelligence team. If someone asks you, you should be in a position to answer the question, right? Your brother or sister or friend, whoever it is, right? So let us start with business intelligence and then we can go ahead with the outcome of the business intelligence. Now, see, I'm going to make use of MS Paint. Right. Then assume we have Vinay Technologies. We have Vinay Technologies in multiple branches. Like this is my Hyderabad branch. Right? This is my Hyderabad branch, and this is my Bangalore branch, and this is my Chennai branch. We have three branches. Now, sir, we maintain our own business data. What do you mean by business data over here? And where do we maintain it? So, in our case, our business data is nothing but student data, their course details, fee details, our researchers details, our faculty details. We maintain all this information in any of the storage. What do you mean by storage over here? Data storages, right? What are the data storages? Servers, servers, and file systems. Servers means databases, right? And file systems. Databases means SQL Server, Oracle, Teradata, MySQL, MySQL, DB2, and so on. Right, sir? Right. And file systems means Excel very much predominantly, and then XML, and then raw files, and then flat files. When I say flat file, it can be .txt or CSV, comma separated values. So these are the different data storages where we can maintain our data. So now let's go back to our Windows. All my Hyderabad branch details are in my Excel system. Okay. Bangalore branch details are in Oracle. And then Chennai branch details are in Teradata. I have three branches. Each branch has been maintaining their own specific data in three different systems. One is file system, and rest of the two are databases. Now, friends, we have successfully completed quarter one 2024. So, Infosys Infi was able to generate 35% revenue for quarter one 2024, right? And TCS was able to generate 45% revenue under the supervision of Ratan Tata ji, right? Now tell me, friends, this 35% revenue and 45% revenue has been generated only from Telugu guys because of Hyderabad from Telugu guys? No. This is 35% is not the one which has been generated from the Hyderabad. It is a consolidated, summarized, aggregated value that's been generated across all the branches. Across all the branches throughout globe. In the same way, what is the total revenue generation from all three branches? Right? I want to know the same information. I want to know the same information. Vinay Technologies, what is the total revenue percentage, right, for quarter one, 2024? Right, sir? So, in order to know that, I am asking, hey, give me the reports. What is the total revenue generation from all the branches? But I got three different reports, and I received three different reports. One is from Hyderabad, one is from Bangalore, another one is from Chennai. So how many reports I have? Three. Sir, if I have 500 branches, so you are expecting are you expecting 500 reports? No. You don't have time to analyze 500 different reports. You need a consolidated single report which should give what is the total revenue generated across all the branches for quarter one 2024. Guys, are you clear? Are you able to follow me? Guys, are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Balaji.
Okay. Okay. Please. Right. Now, sir, I need a single report. But how many reports we got? We received three different reports from three different systems. So if you want to have a single report, you need to combine these three different systems into one system. That is our that is our database. That is our database. So guys, this is our database and it's been configured with the SQL Server. We have a database called EDB, Enterprise Database. Enterprise level database. That means, yes. So this database is going to have all three branches information. But how to load the data? How to maintain the data from three different systems into one system? It's not possible directly because Excel system has its own data structure. Oracle has its own data structure. Teradata has its own data structure. Three different data structures cannot be combined into another different data structure directly. Okay. So for that particular purpose, I would like to maintain a centralized system called an intermediate system called staging area. So you get the data from Excel to staging area. You get the data from Oracle to staging area. You get the data from Teradata to staging area. Finally, load the data into the destination system. Totally, we call it as data integration. Data integration, or else we call it as ETL, extraction, transformation, and loading process. Right. Now, friends, what are these things? Sir, I'm traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore. Can someone tell me what is my source and what is my destination here?
Source is
Here,
Hyderabad. The
source
destination
is
is Bangalore.
Hyderabad. Exactly. What do you mean by source in terms of the travel terminology? What do you mean by source in terms of the travel terminology?
Starting point.
Starting point. From where you start your journey. In other terminology, being a driver, I pick the passengers from different locations like BHL, Miapur, and then KPHB, Kukatpalli, SR Nagar, Amirpet, and then Chadraghat, Malakpet, LB Nagar. So I am trying to pick the passengers from different places of Hyderabad, different places of sources, and dropping them into destination system. I am trying to do the same thing, but here, being a driver who is trying to pick the passengers, being a driver, I am trying to pick the data from three different source systems. Source 1 is in the format of Excel, source 2 is in the format of Oracle, source 3 is in the format of Teradata. So we call these systems as source systems. And this is our destination or target system. And what about this one then? What about this one then? Staging area or transformation area. Right. Now see, what is this one then? Data integration. Can someone tell me what do you mean by integration, friends? What do you mean by integration? Combining, merging. What do you want to merge? Data. So combining the data, which is coming from multiple, more than one, and a different data sources into one destination system is nothing but a data integration. Are you clear? Are you clear? Are you clear, sir?
Yes.
So now, what is this one then? ETL. What exactly this one? Friends, from source, what exactly you are trying to do? Are you trying to reading the data or writing the data from the source? From source, are you trying to read or write the data? Reading. From source, are you trying to pull the data or push the data? Pulling the data. From source, you are trying to selecting the data or else writing the data, selecting the data. So instead of using reading, selecting, getting, right? I want to use a proper technical term called extraction. Extraction equivalent terminology is select. Are we good now? Are we good now? E stands for extraction. Collecting the data, extracting the data from multiple and different sources. Right. Now see, here this is nothing but extracted data must be processed or transformed by using built-in transformations in ETL tool. Are we good with that? Do we have any questions on this statement? Do you have any questions on this statement, guys?
No.
Sir, I would need your email ID and then the contact number to share the recording session. It's recording now. You can ping me your email ID and then the contact number in our chat window. All right, please. You can do that. Right. You can ping me in the chat window. I can see only 4 members, so I think yes. So you can ping me your contact number as well. We're not going to bother you for sure. Right. Okay. It's all up to you. Right. Okay. Now, sir, go back. No, go back. Now, sir, we're done with ETL process. For example, here I have 5,000 records. Here we have 6,000 records. And here we have again 4,000 records. If I go with the data integration or else ETL process, how many records that you are expecting in your enterprise database? 15,000 records. This is your enterprise level business data. Enterprise level business data. Are we good now? Right. Enterprise level business data. Now you have the total all branches data in one location. Start preparing the report. Start preparing the report. This is our report, sir. This is our report. This is our report. Sir, I'll try to design something. This is my x-axis. You have quarter one data, quarter two, yeah, and then quarter three, quarter four. This totally we call it as 2020, 2020 during COVID time, right? And on y-axis, we have revenue. And you are trying to prepare this report by taking the data from this data source, right? Okay. Now, sir, you have the report with you. You got 25,000 rupees phone bill from Airtel. What is your next action plan? You got 25,000 rupees outstanding amount from Airtel. Would you like to pay the amount blindly? No. As soon as you get the report, you try to open it and then try to analyze the tariff part. In the same way, as soon as you get the report, your report must be thoroughly analyzed. Okay. Your report must be thoroughly analyzed. Right. So this is our last activity. Now see. Sir, what is your analysis then? Before that, let me label this. This is my report design or else data visualization. Right. And this is our data analysis. By using multi-dimensional or tabular model, tabular models. We use either multi-dimensional or tabular model. Right, sir? What is your analysis? As soon as I get the report, I started my data analysis. What is your analysis? In 2020, quarter one, the profits were very high because there was no impact of COVID. Because lockdown started in 2020, March 27th, I guess. So March 27th is nothing but almost the end of quarter one, right? And then in quarter two, my profits came down actually. By quarter four, it reached to zero. My revenue was zero by end of the 2020. So what I'm trying to do, I was trying to analyzing my own business data. Totally, we call it as a business intelligence architecture diagram. What do you mean by that? This is business intelligence architecture. Architecture, right? What do you mean by business intelligence architecture? Right. Sir, BI. BI means a set of activities. A set of activities. What kind of activities does BI contains? What kind of activities fall under BI? What kind of activities fall under BI? Number one. Number one. Data integration or else ETL activities. Number two. Data visualization. Data visualization. And third one is data analysis by using multi-dimensional model, multi-dimensional model or tabular, tabular models, right? Combinedly, we can say a business intelligence. So these three are the common activities applicable to any of the business intelligence tool. So if someone asks you what is business intelligence means a set of activities. What kind of activities involves in any BI? Integration of the data, which is coming from multiple and different data sources into one destination system. Once you have the enterprise level data into database, use that for our reporting purpose and report data will be analyzed based on the analysis, you can do something. Are we good now, sir? Now you got some clarity. What do you mean by business intelligence? Friends,
Yes.
please. Yes.
Yes.
Right. 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 Now, friends, listen. I think someone joined now. Pradeep. Hi, Pradeep. Welcome to Vinay. I would need it's recording now. I would need your contact number and email ID. You can ping me in the chat window so that I can share the recording session once we are done with this.
Sure, I will share it.
Yeah, sure. Right. Now, sir.
Thanks.
Now, sir. Sir, why companies are investing so much of amount in building solid, robust business intelligence solutions? So, what is the outcome? Why do we implement that? What is the outcome of the business intelligence, right? What is the outcome of the business intelligence, right? So, the reason is okay. So, now, for example, we have Mohan. Mohan got 25,000 rupees outstanding amount bill from Airtel, right? So, he opened it and he analyzed the report totally. As part of his analysis, he got to know that his fiancée sits in UK and she is working for a client, right? And Mohan is sitting in ODC 5 Offshore Development Center 5, ODC Hyderabad, and he used to call her. Conversation has been going for long hours because of ISD call. He got 25,000 rupees bill. That is the analysis result. Okay, that is the analysis result. Now, sir, now, sir, अरे यार he decided, अरे यार, my salary is 50,000 and my bill amount is 25,000. There is no savings. There is no savings. I want to reduce my bill amount starting from next month onwards. You take a decision to reduce the bill amount. How do you reduce the bill amount? How do you reduce the bill amount? I can give you two solutions. Solution number one, you can call to call center, ask them to enable IST facility on our network. Solution number two, you try to speak less number of hours with your fiancé. You go with either way of these two, then automatically your amount will be reduced in the coming months. So, after thorough analysis, you will be in a position to take a better decision. That's the reason we call it as DMS, Decision Making System, or else DSS, Decision Supporting System. This total system supports you in taking a better decision. The ultimate goal of the ultimate goal of business intelligence is decision making. We implement the business intelligence solutions for better decision making. Are we good? Are we good? Are we good, friends? Are we good?
Yes. Yeah.
Right, right. So, details as well, because we need to forward the details, right? Okay, fine. Thank you, Pradeep. So, hope you are clear on these 2 points. If so, then I'll try to talk about Microsoft Business Intelligence solutions. Microsoft Business Intelligence tools. What are the MSBI tools? SSIS. Full form is SQL Server Integration Services. Services. Now tell me, sir, this is also a BI tool from Microsoft Corporation, right? So, being a BI tool, where exactly it comes into the picture in the total diagram? What activities can be achieved by using SSIS? What activities can be achieved by using SSIS?
Data integration.
Yeah. I stands for integration. Data integration and ETL activities can be achieved by using SSIS. So The name itself clearly stating that I stands for integration. So this is our data integration and ETL tool. Are we good now? Are we good now, guys? Are we good now, guys? Okay. Next one. SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services. The name itself clearly stating that this is for data visualization, report design, or else data visualization, right? So this portion can be achieved by using SSRS, and SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Services. The purpose of this one is for data analysis by using models called using models. What are the models we have? Multi-dimensional models and tabular models. So now tell me, sir, this particular active can be achieved by using SSAS. Now, sir, we are in a position, listen to my statement, Sama. We are in a position to perform ETL and data integration activities by using MSBI tool called SSIS. We are in a position to visualize the data using MSBI tool called SSRS. We are in a position to analyze the data by using MSBI tool called SCAS. So, you are in a position to perform all BI activities by using MSBI tools. So, can we say this is our Microsoft Business Intelligence Architecture? Microsoft Business Intelligence Architecture? Totally MSBI architecture. Are we good now? Are we good now, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Balaji. Thank
Any
you.
questions, Amma? No problem, dear. Any questions? Amrita, Mohan, Pradeep, Shiva, Venu. Any questions, please?
Yeah, I have a question,
Yes,
Balaji.
please.
See, you are saying that SSAS, most of the which I have gone through like few things like SSIS and SSRS, like 60 to 70% the companies will be used as a suit, and SSAS will be with other tools, like not with Microsoft, like some other tools.
Mm.
So I mean, I'm not sure like what exactly, what is the reason behind.
The reason is most of the companies uses SSIS and RS and Power BI nowadays. Earlier, if you go back to 10 years, right, people
Mhm.
use it to take the at a clients, like take the employees who is very strong on SSAS, but companies were struggling to get these guys basically who is very strong on SSAS, because in SSAS the storage of the structure data structure is difficult when compared with the OLTP and enterprise data warehousing systems. Here, we build the cube. We store the data in a multi-dimensional format where you need to learn and apply MDX commands, multi-dimensional expressions, and a tabular model uses DAX expressions, the data analysis expressions, which is really tedious task for the job seekers. That's the reason people doesn't pay interest towards this. But how about the work actually? Actually, you don't require too much to, you don't require to spend too much of time on these things, because Power BI gives the capabilities of both the data visualization and data analytics as well.
Okay.
That's the reason people are not so interested to concentrate on data analysis by using multi-dimensional tabular models. And moreover, Power BI is built on top of tabular model. That's the reason tabular model and Power BI uses a common language called DAX, data analysis expressions. Over to you, Venu. Are you clear?
Yes, Mr. Balaji. And yeah, to this point, like SSAS can be have many alternative tools, right? What you were trying to say.
Yes. Power BI, Tableau. Every data visualization tool is having its own analytical options basically. So you don't require to search for a person who is really having SSAS experience, right? So
Yeah.
if you have experience on SSIS, RS, and Power BI, you are most welcome.
But most of the time in Power BI also a little bit of which I worked like in tooltips and few enhancements in the dashboards. There
Hmm.
also will use yeah, sorry. There also will use some tax functions, right? And even like
That's
MD.
what. That's what.
Okay.
If you want to customize the data as per your requirement, we use a functional language called DAX. DAX
Yeah.
is the common language for both the tabular model and Power BI. Yes.
What? Yeah. Yeah.
If you want to create your own calculations, right? If you want to create your own date functions, for example, in your data warehousing system, you forget to load time dimension. So if there is
Mm.
no time dimension, there is no point of
Okay.
analyzing the
That's
data.
just
So how
yeah.
do you populate your own time dimension without using data warehousing system? I
Oh,
want you to
okay.
load the data in your Power BI. We have Power BI functions, right? So you can make use of them.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So if
So
you want to customize the things at report level in Power BI, we go for DAX expressions.
mm,
Make sense?
oh, yeah, exactly. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, dear. Right. Right. So yeah. Yes. Right. Right. Sir, I want to write something over here. SSIS is a data integration tool or ETL tool. Other ETL tools available in the market, like Informatica, Data Stage, Ab initio, INITIO, right? BODS, ODI, right? Pentaho, Talent, Alteryx, right? We have these many ETL tools available in the market, Alteryx, right? And then reporting come analytical tools. Other reporting come analytical tools available in the market. That is nothing but Tableau, Power BI,
Mm.
ClickView, MicroStrategy, right? Cognos, and what else?
Click
Data stage
sense.
Cognos. Yeah, ClickSense, ClickView fall under this one, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
And
BO.
then
Okay.
Actuate,
Mm.
and then Tibco Spotfire, and then Jasper Reports. These are reporting to OBIE, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, that is from Oracle.
Yeah, and SAP BO also you get right.
Yeah, SAP BO business objects, right? Right. So we have so many reporting come analytical tools. So I'm expecting a question from you guys now. I'm expecting a question from you. Why did we listed the other tools here along with MSBI? Why did we list it? Sir,
Mm.
even though we have these many tools available in the market, why should I learn and set my roadmap towards business intelligence team? Simply, why MSBI? That's what my question is, right? You got my point, sir?
Yeah.
Right? You
Mm.
have Informatica, Data Stage. These tools are specially designed for ETL, and these tools are specially designed for reporting come analytics. But why should I go ahead and set my roadmap towards business intelligence stream? Simply, why MSBI? My answer is, sir, you have a BI project in your company. BI means ETL, report income analysis, and you need a server. You need a server to maintain the enterprise level business data. You need a server. Sir, if I was not aware of MSBI, sir. I know the legacy tool called Informatica. So I purchased Informatica. I have purchased multiple licenses. Multiple licenses means I'm not talking about Amir Pet license, sir. Completely production license. Completely enterprise license that I have purchased. Sir, one-fourth of my bank amount is gone just to purchase the Informatica tools. Report income analytical tools, I want to go with the Tableau. You have to pay $500 for every year to Tableau for procuring the license. For each license, you have to pay $500 for every year. For every year, it's going to hit my cost. And then for server purpose, I want to go with the Oracle servers. Three-fourths of my bank amount is gone just to set up the infrastructure part. Three-fourths of my bank amount is gone. Right? Sir, tools are ready. Who will operate them? You need the resources, right? So, two ETL resources. One report developer. One DBA, Oracle DBA. My my bank balance is zero now. My bank balance is zero. Because you have to purchase everything. There is nothing is free. There is nothing which comes free without putting any amounts, right? But someone suggested me, hey, why can't you go with my MSBI? Oh, what is that MSBI? Okay, SSIS, RS, and AS. What is first two S stands for? What is first two S stands for? SQL Server.
SQL Server.
Ah, basically, MSBI is a built-in component of your server. So when you purchase the server, the ETL and reporting analytical tools are for free of cost. You don't require to put single NP for MSBI. When you purchase SQL Server, you will be getting all BI tools for free of cost. So, what is the advantage, sir?
Yeah,
No
for one
cost.
license with all.
No cost. No license cost. No licensed cost. No license cost separately. Right? Okay. Sir, you are saying it's a no license cost. It's free tools. How is the performance? Excellent performance when compared with other tools. Sir, you're saying it's free of cost. How about the features? Right? Does it satisfy all my ETL requirements, reporting and data analytics? Yes. Great features. They keep on upgrading the things. I started working in MSBI. That was in the year of 2006. First 2 years, I was into different technology, embedded VC++, T-mobile applications, right? And starting from 2006 to current year, till date. Yes, great performance, right? Because of these three features, MSBI is still on top of other BI tools. Are we good now, sir? Are we good now, sir?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So, and better security as well. Better security. Because of all these four characteristics, MSBI is on top of the rest of the BI tools. Do we have any questions on this section, Amma? Do we have any questions on this section? Any questions on this section?
Just I have one more thing. Shall I
Hmm.
go on?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very.
actually, yes, sir. So the thing is, now I have it out. See, there are two to three types of license usually, like a single user license and a group of license, right? Usually, like
Hmm.
in a different technologies, they will call it as concurrent users or a single license. So what about the same? How it is going to be applicable for this? If I have a multiple developers in this MSBI, or whatever all the three categories, how that could be considered?
Right. Sir, the good thing with Microsoft is we take a subscription, right? See,
Okay.
for example, when I purchase Sony TV, Sony 65 inches Bravia TV, we have an offer. So, TV, along with the TV, I'll be getting Tata Sky dish and 1 year South Pack subscription where I can see multiple channels and delivery is free, installation is free. In the same way, when you purchase, when you take a subscription of Microsoft, you can download other products as well. Like you never go with individual products and with Microsoft. We take Office 365 that includes total MS Office and then Power Automation, Power Apps, Power BI and other things along with the Teams, Skype for Business, Outlook, Visual Studio, Visual Studio, TFS, Team Foundation Server, and then this MSBI things as well. So, for example, I have 5 different subscriptions, right? One subscription can be used for multiple options based on the range that we set. Okay, I'm taking one subscription, so it covers only the South Pack. South Pack includes the Tata Sky. South Pack includes all plays and all ETV, Gemini TV, and all. But we have few new features like children channels. You won't be getting that for free of cost. In the same way, you will be getting few licenses. It's a group license basically. Subscription is nothing but a group license. We never go with the individual license from Microsoft because if you go with the individual license for every product from Microsoft, it's going to hit your cost. But when you go with the subscription, group subscription, you will be getting some benefit out of it in terms of money. Are we good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah. Next one is duration.
Sorry.
Yes. Hello. Yes.
Sorry. Is there anything constraint about a limit like in the group subscription, like
Yeah.
any
There should be
category?
some
Like,
limit. There will be some limit. There will be some limit. For
okay.
example, if I take my subscription is having 10 licenses, right? Only that can be installed only on 10 machines because one machine is nothing but one license.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 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 Right. So duration, SSIS takes, right, 25 to 30 hours, I mean to say. SSRS takes 12 to 15 hours, and even SSIS also takes the same thing. So totally it is 60 days course, 60 hours I can say, right? If you say daily 1 hour and your timing should be between 9 and 10. No, sir, I'm rushing something. I want to travel to somewhere, or else I need to work for a project. Currently, I'm on bench. I'm going to get tagged to a project. I want to finish it as early as possible. If you have these kinds of constraints, we have totally 3 batches which are running currently, 7 to 8, right? Currently, we are about to finish SSIS, about to complete SSIS and about to start SSRS in a week. So if you want, you can join in 7 to 8 for SSRS and SSAS and 9 to 10 in our session, you can attend for SSIS. So you can finish the total course in 30 hours to attend the multiple sessions. 7 to 8, 8 to 9 break time, like snack, like lunch, breakfast time, and 9 to 10 again SSIS. That way, you can finish the total course in a month actually in 30 hours. Are we good? Hello? Are we good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Right. So tomorrow I'm going to start SSIS architecture, which is really, really important, right? And same link works for tomorrow as well. And tomorrow is also would be a free session. All are welcome, right? Yeah. So tomorrow we're going to meet at the same time, 9 o'clock. No change, no change in the timings, no change in the link as well. Same link and same time works for us, right?
Can
Yeah.
you please go down, Mr. Balaji? Can you
Yeah.
please little bit? Yeah, 7 to 8, it should be SSIS, right?
No, it should be,
Oh,
we are about to finish SSIS in a week actually. So I'm going to immediately, I'm going to start SSRS.
okay. Usually, which will, I mean, mostly like SSIS is the biggest part here,
Yes,
right?
SSIS is the biggest, but that's the reason it takes 25 to 30 hours. We have so many things to discuss.
Okay, okay. Yeah, SSIS.
Right.
But you said like 9 to 10 SSIS, you said.
Sir,
Uh,
please, SSIS
yeah.
is your session, your actual session, right?
Okay, okay.
So where you will be continuing SSIS, SSRS, and SSAS,
Yeah.
right? It's a
Yeah.
continuous session which takes 60 hours.
Okay,
If
okay,
you want to finish it as early as possible before
okay.
60 hours, I would recommend you to go with RS and AS in RS and SSRS and SSAS in 8 to 9 batch after 1 week.
Okay.
By
It's a
that
kind of
time, you will be completing this one and this one parallelly.
parallel. Okay. Yeah. The first one is what we have to step by step. If we go, it should be in SSIS as per the workflow. So the first week, there is no deviations. First, we'll
Yeah,
complete this
right.
SSIS.
So meanwhile, you
Then,
you used to get you get to all the things actually. So the software installation and everything will be available on your local machine, and then we can start both SSIS and RS simultaneously. If you want to attend both the 7 to 8 and the 9 to 10.
oh, okay. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
great.
yeah, yeah,
Sure.
yeah. So that is about the total session today. Tomorrow I'm going to start SSIS and architecture components. It's really important. So make you try to make it possible. I'm going to stop the recording.